Hey.
Hello, sports fans.
Or those who... What's the word?
Hey, what's this video for?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey, so almost 100 days ago, Karl and I were looking for a change in how we were eating. I was like 20 something weeks pregnant, and I had started that pregnancy where I usually end in my pregnancy weight. So I was like up 30 pounds or something when I started. And so anyway, I just wanted to feel better and recover faster when baby came. So I was looking for something different. What were you looking for?
I was looking for peace in my household, so I was going to have to do this diet too.
Come on.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's you always want to be thinner, as long as you don't have to like exercise or do anything extra. So, you know, um,
Anywho,
I knew there was going to be stress if Audrey did the diet and I didn't do the diet, and stress makes me heavier by eating. So,
well, I'm so glad you did this with me.
yeah.
So 100 days ago, we joined this no sugar, no flour challenge, and we've almost made it. We're to like day 90 or something like that. So we did a good job. We had a couple of hiccups, but got right back on and feel really good. So I wasn't looking to lose weight in pregnancy, but really haven't gained anything either. So that's been great. Sleeping really well and moving well. I wake up with energy. That doesn't even happen when I'm not pregnant, so that's awesome. So, you feeling good?
Yeah, I feel a lot better. I was having some knee and foot problems, and those have gotten a lot more bearable. I've lost at least 20 pounds on this, so that's taken off a bit of the load. And I feel like if I need to hustle to catch up to something like a child or
It's like
something on fire, then
that's like 3 gallons of milk that you're not holding around all day. That's amazing. So because we're feeling so good, we're gonna keep going. So we thought we'd do another 100-day challenge and invite other people who might want to get, I don't know, whether you want to lose weight or you just kind of wanted to not be addicted to sugar anymore, which was my deal. We'd love to kind of join with you and cheer you on and support you, maybe give you some ideas of what worked really well for us over the last 100 days.
yeah.
And we'll be doing these little coffee chats to give ideas and stuff. So if you're not on Facebook, and if you are on Facebook, hello puppies. If you are on Facebook, we'll have a Facebook group. Okay. And compile all the things. I am moving away from the drama. Anywho, we'll start January 10th. When we started our challenge, we were also encouraged to read a book along with it. And so Karl and I we went up to Minnesota, and so we listened to this audio book. It's called Bright Line Eating. So if you're interested, let me know and I'll tag you in the information, the title and the author. But I'm almost 100% positive that reading that book helped us to stay the course all 100 days, because it gave us the why into what was, why we were having such trouble in the past, and some really practical ideas for, what to do for all these 100 days. So, anywho, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and let me know if you want to join us, and I'll add you to the group or send you the book link. Bye.
Hey.